Here are 10 interesting space facts you haven't heard. Number 1. The Milky Way tastes like raspberry and smells like rum. Located at the center of the Milky Way galaxy is a massive dust cloud nebula called Sagittarius B2. Sagittarius B2, according to astrophysicists, is overflowing with ethyl formate. Ethyl formate is a key ingredient in making raspberry-flavored stuff and has a strong rum aroma. Number 2. If someone in a galaxy 100 million light-years away had an extremely powerful telescope, they could look towards Earth when it's still being roamed around by dinosaurs. This is because light takes time to travel across space. Even though it moves incredibly fast, its speed is still finite. Looking deeper into space is also like looking back in time. Number 3. If you could drive straight upward at a constant speed of 80 kilometers per hour, you would reach space in about 1 hour and 15 minutes. The Kármán line, which is commonly used to define the boundary between Earth's atmosphere and space, is only about 100 kilometers above the surface. To put that into perspective, flying from New York to London actually takes longer than flying directly to outer space. Number 4. The asteroid belt is almost empty. Contrary to what is often shown in space movies, the asteroid belt is not densely packed. In reality, the average distance between two asteroids in the asteroid belt is roughly 1 million kilometers. With that kind of separation, you could easily fit all 8 planets between individual asteroids with plenty of space to spare. If you were standing on an average asteroid, the nearest one would likely be so far away it would be invisible without a telescope. Number 5. The outer space smells like burnt steak. A number of astronauts coming back from space have reportedly described its smell to be similar to a burnt steak, gunpowder, and almond cookies. As the outer space is heavily dominated by harsh gases and vapors like ammonia and sulfur compounds, it is also a possibility for space to smell like rotten eggs. Number 6. Australia is actually wider than the moon. From east to west, Australia spans about 4,000 kilometers, while the moon's diameter is only about 3,474 kilometers. That means Australia is wider than the moon itself when comparing straight-line distance across. Number 7. The footprints left by the Apollo astronauts in the moon are still there. Because the moon has no atmosphere, wind, or flowing water, the footprints left by the Apollo astronauts when they landed in 1969 will remain largely untouched for an extremely long time. As a matter of fact, using ultra-zoom-level telescopes, one can see these 60-year-old imprints perfectly preserved, along with other artifacts left behind by the Apollo team. Number 8. You can still watch and hear the Big Bang on your television. Even after billions of years after it happened, evidence of the Big Bang event is still present. The static you see and hear when you tune in on a blank channel on an analog TV is called cosmic microwave background radiation. This faint frequency is leftover remnants of the Big Bang, still emitting and radiating across the entire universe, billions of years after the event. Number 9. If everything goes to plan, Jimmy Carter's voice will be the first human voice to be heard by extraterrestrials. Designed to study outer planets beyond the solar system, the Voyager 1 spacecraft is currently the farthest human-made object in the universe, as it recently just passed beyond the solar system and is now traveling through interstellar space. Traveling with the spacecraft is the Golden Record, a gold-plated disc which illustrates life and people on Earth, in the hopes to demonstrate to other intelligent beings out there what the human race looks like. Also on the record is a recorded welcome message of then-President Jimmy Carter. As of present time, the spacecraft is still able to transmit electronic signals back to Earth, despite being millions of kilometers away. However, it is estimated that contact with Voyager 1 will be lost around the year 2030. Launched in 1977, the spacecraft will continue to drift through space. And if it's any lucky, it will potentially outlive the human race, carrying with it the only evidence of our very own existence. Number 10. The Earth almost got fried by the Sun. From time to time, the Sun casually releases an extremely powerful burst of plasma and magnetic energy, called coronal mass ejection, or CME. This sudden release of energy is radiated towards the solar system, with the Earth within a healthy firing range. For thousands of years, the Earth had always been lucky to avoid being ravaged by these ultra-mega solar storms. Until it almost hadn't. In July 2012, the Sun released an extremely massive CME, which was directed exactly through the Earth's orbital path. The powerful solar storm almost got our planet. A close call indeed that had it happen a week earlier, the Earth would surely be engulfed by severe magnetic solar flares. Had it happened, this catastrophic event would have apocalyptic impacts on our planet. Satellites would have been permanently damaged or destroyed. GPS navigation would have failed worldwide. Power grids would have overloaded and collapsed in cascades. Radio and communication systems would have gone dark for weeks or months. The July 2012 event remains a stark reminder that nothing can ever prepare us for the apocalypse. Sometimes, all it takes is one good aim from the Sun. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more discussions on the unknown and the unexplained.